Hello everyone, and welcome to the first all-new digital virtual summit. I am very happy that you could all make it, and I'm looking forward to an awesome day filled with valuable knowledge that you can take away for your digital strategies in 2021. I actually wanted to talk about how we decided to create the all-new digital virtual summit, because we found that most events just regurgitate old stuff and old topics, and we wanted to create an event that contains only all new digital information. So basically what is relevant now and the strategies and tactics that you can use now and in the future. However, I'm sorry to say that there is something much more important that I need to address. One of our speakers, Hamlet Batista, got infected with the coronavirus a couple of weeks ago, and just a couple of hours ago we got the news that he has passed away. Needless to say, we are shocked and devastated. That is why I want to devote this event in his memory, and start by telling you a little bit about who Hamlet was and why he deserves to be remembered. Hamlet's story begins to the south. He was born and lived until 2010 in the beautiful tropical island of Dominican Republic. Prior to gaining US citizenship, he was a US Genius Visa holder, alien of extraordinary ability, search engine optimization. He is the inventor of the agile SEO platform, RankSense. SEO is a very valuable marketing channel, but it typically takes 6 months and a lot of guesswork to see the results. Well, Hamlet thought differently, and his mission was to accelerate SEO results to 6 weeks using artificial intelligence and automation. Prior to founding RankSense, Hamlet co-invented Altruix Page Priority, an enterprise-level SEO software product that pioneered automated resolution of site architecture issues. On average, clients experienced a double-digit increase in sales year over year from organic search, and a patent was filed for his invention. Hamlet also created the patented software RankSense, an SEO product focused on simplifying SEO for small businesses, which earned Web Post Magazine's prestigious Editor's Choice Award in December 2008. Additionally, Hamlet served as a technical review editor for the first and second editions of the book The Art of SEO, published by O'Reilly Media, which was named as one of the best SEO books of 2009 by Search Engine Mag, and is a search engine marketing award-winning blogger and conference speaker. Other achievements include the launch of a highly successful affiliate marketing network in the competitive online pharmaceutical vertical, which resulted in first-page rankings for competitive pharmaceutical product keywords on Google and abundant affiliate commissions. But most importantly, Hamlet was a nice man. I only spoke to him once, but immediately liked his calm, positive, and can-do attitude. Even laying in the hospital, he found the time to let me know of his condition and sent me a photo with him on the respirator. That picture will now probably haunt me for the rest of my life. He was a great man and contributed a lot, and despite our brief encounter, I will remember him fondly. Rest in peace, Hamlet.